Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be working on Panther. So first of all, you want to take this support from underneath this gun here. Just kind of clip away at it. And by doing that, you'll be able to just clear that out so that can look nice. Just be careful, especially if you're working with a smaller scale. Now take this support plastic here. You want to get that out too. And then right here, that went out too. There we go, got all of that crud out of there. Alright, you can sand this down if you're so inclined. It's sand down the underside of that gun if you wish. So after that, there's actually no clipping away needed for this kit. So now, let's get to gluing. Just simply take some glue, put it along there, and then put this piece like that. Carefully. Make sure that this flat side is flat like that. And then the front lines up well with everything. Now, the most logical next step, let's get some glue like there. And then like that. There you go. Really good. So this is coming together nicely. Well, that's dry and stuff. Let's go ahead and put this. Simple enough. You just put some glue like that, and then take and put that like that. Very good. There's the turret. Now that can dry. Now here is the tracks. This is how they should go. So you can see how that just doesn't look good. It needs to go this way. Always look at historical pictures too. Make sure you're not just following me, but I should be doing it correct anyways. Alright, now that the glue is there, you can see that you can line that up pretty well with the track. It should look something like that. Pretty good. So, let's simply do the next step. Glue there. Glue there. There you go. There's those tracks. Now, technically, this could be done. This could be the Panther without side skirts. Let's go ahead and put these side skirts on. This one is an optional step. Just put some glue along the edge there, and then maybe some glue along this track edge. And here's this side skirt. Go ahead and place it like that. I'm just going to place it in the middle. I think that looks good. Like I said, for exact placement, you could either follow along with me, which I think it'll work well. But always reference historical pictures in case you want exact placement. Last glue. Here we go. Wish us to remember where we put it on the other side. There you go. There's the skirts. Now, can put this turret on. There you have it. This is the Panther from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching. This item is available at miniaturetanks.com.